Not eat the bear's foot.
Is there another girl with golden hair? Oh, I'm thinking of Little Red Riding Hood. Do you have a Red Riding Hood? Do you have a red hood? Red hoodie? Maybe. Do you have a pink hoodie?
But I don't have a red hoodie.
You don't have a pink hoodie.
But I do.
Oh.
But I'm not seeing it right now.
You're not Little Red Riding Hood for sure. I'm not Little Red Riding Hood. I'm not Little Red Riding Hood. What do you think, Emily? Are you Little Red Riding Hood?
Yeah.
I'm not Little Red Riding Hood.
Why would he be Little Red Riding?
I don't have a hood, and I don't have blonde hair, so I'm not Goldilocks. And there go my glasses. Michael, will you pick up my glasses? Sure. Put them on. Oh, those look good on you. You look so smart. Do I look smart with my glasses?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Hey, everybody! Maybe I should start wearing glasses. Just fake glasses like this. I don't really need them, but...
Maybe you should give them back to her because she needs them.
Yeah, maybe I should give them back to her. Then I can read better. Yeah, you probably can. You wear glasses?
My dad does.
Your dad wears glasses? Do you wear sunglasses?
Not usually.
Not usually, but sometimes. Does your mom have glasses?
No, my mom's right there.
Oh, no, she's not wearing glasses. Eyelashes on. And even though we ain't got money, I'm so in love with you, honey. And tell me everything's gonna be alright. And if you don't love me now, you will never love me again. I can still hear you saying, we must never break the chain. Do 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 do. Okay, does this work? I can still see your chin a little bit. Or you could just be in the shot altogether. And we'll just crop you out later on. Are you listening to me? Yes, I'm listening to you. All right. I still dream of Organon. Wake up crying, you're making rain, and you're
you're just in reach. When you in sleep escape me, you're like my yo-yo that glowed in the dark. What made it special made it dangerous, so I'll bury it and forget. But every time it rains, you're here in my head, like the sun coming out. Oh, I just know that something good is gonna happen. Don't know when, but just saying it could even make it happen. On top of the world, looking over the edge,
Love you to country.
you could see them coming.
A
You
cheetah.
look
Cool.
too small
Yellow cheetah.
in their big black car.
Spot. Is it cheetah?
Be a threat to the men in power.
Do you have a teddy bear?
I hid my yo-yo in the garden. I can't hide you from the government,
Little bear.
so I'll bury it
Oh, I like to have my head smashed.
But every time it rains, you're here in my head, like the sun coming out. Oh, I just know that something good is gonna happen. I don't know when, but just saying it could even make it happen. Yeah, 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 yo, oh, oh, oh. Hey, yeah, yeah, yo, oh, oh, yeah, 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 yo, oh, oh. Your sun's coming out. Every time it rains, your sun's coming out. The sun's coming out. The sun's coming out.
Your eyelashes want to come off.
I know. Everybody.
What's that song?
It's just a song I always sing. Hey, everybody, when I don't know what to say. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Story Time at the Bemidji Public Library.
Library.
That's what I said.
No, you said library.
Oh, I hate that. Library. Library, huh?
I'm not like Larry, not like Bailey.
Yeah, exactly.